Hello, welcome to Engineer Comic. Free your imagination. In this video, as usual, we will continue our previous video. In this video, we will continue to drawing crankshaft for the car engine. Okay, please follow me and don't forget to like and subscribe my video, guys. Okay, we will make it large. We will make it more convex, or in other word, it is rising. We will like delete an edge, but yeah, like that. Okay, I don't know what to say, but at least see what I will do. It is the perfect way to learn. It's the perfect way to learn, and we make it extra cut, midpoint, midplane, and we. It's up to you to palette either it right or left. Okay, we got this. We have been cut extract this, and then what we will do, we make any fillet to make it more beautiful and smooth, and it is similar to the real one. Guess we will make design for this. To be a designer, uh, not only take attention to the function, but we also have to care about the aesthetic feeling. That's the cuts from me today. Let's start to take too much time, but it's not hard as you see. But yeah, like this and like this. By the way, guys, don't forget to fill it 2.54 for the radius of fillet that you make. 2.54. Okay, it's done. Then for the fillet, We make a mirror object for this part. Mirror is like when you see yourself from the mirror. It is reverse direction, so you can see yourself in front of the mirror. We click one by one on the plane of it, and then there are too many things that we have done. It's simple, but it's still hard. But I don't know, it's not as weird as you see. Okay, we got this.